Hi friends, I'm at Suan Mokkh monastery outside of Thailand. The process getting here was really easy, and I'm really feeling the bliss today. After I checked in, I was walking through the garden, like the sand garden, and finding my way to my dormitory, and I saw this amazing spider. She was like, she was so big, and a species I've never seen before. This beautiful black, dark black spider, and I was standing there like just caught in a moment with her, admiring her and talking to her, telling her how beautiful she was. And a monk approached me, and it was so interesting. He completely like reflected at me what I was giving to the spider, and so then I was showing him the spider, and he's like, nature. I'm like, yeah, look how amazingly beautiful it is. And so he walked me as far as he can. He can't enter where it's like women's only, but he walked me over to where I needed to go, and I've been crossing paths with him for the last couple of hours, and he's always giving me something, always an offering, like earlier a pamphlet, and then he wanted to make sure that I knew that there's going to be a video tonight at 7 p.m. And then a little while ago I ran into him and he gave me some mosquito repellent, and every time he looks at me I see the same outpouring of love that I feel for this land and everything about it. And so I'm having these moments where I'm just geeking out and like appreciating that all this love that I feel within today, and that I'm sharing with the land, with the butterflies. I have all these little, there's so many butterflies here, and they keep playing around me. One smacked me in the face earlier, and yeah, anyway, all this love that I'm feeling for the elementals and the natural spirits and beings here in the land, and every time I see this monk, I feel like that love gets completely reciprocated at me, like, but through a human form. It's really strange. Not strange, it's just really beautiful. So, yeah, it goes along with this practice of like instantaneously manifesting. And I feel like I'm in that mode right now where I am manifesting spontaneously what it is I'm putting energy into. And so I'm happy that I'm pouring a lot of energy into love. It feels really good having it reciprocated in all these natural ways back at me. Just wanted to share that so that we can all together practice expressing love inward so greatly that it like shines and illuminates outward. And when that happens, it's like everything mirrors that right back at us. So great. Well, I'm not allowed to eat the food here since I'm just like a free guest, and so I've got to make my way out of the monastery and get some nourishment for my body. So off I go. See you all again soon. Ciao for now.